health channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you get rid of bad breath. How can you get rid of bad breath? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. First of all, bad breath is a common condition which affects many people. And many people, they have tried different ways. For example, some people, they usually take maybe Babrish. Some of them, they use mouthwash. But some people, they use all these ways, but still there's no any improvement. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you get rid of bad breath. First of all, the main reason why people they have bad breath is poor oral hygiene. Many people, they don't brush their teeth, or sometimes even if they brush, they take few minutes or few seconds. It is advised that you should brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, and you should brush your teeth after every meal. But some people, they just brush once per day, or some people, they do not brush at all. So what are you expecting? So you are going to get bad breath, because when you eat, there will be foods in the mouth, so bacteria, they can also grow there, and also there will be formation of plaque. After that, those bacteria, they will emit the gases, and that gases will be foul-smelling gases. So those foul-smelling gases, they will be seen as bad breath in the mouth. So make sure that you brush your teeth very well. Not only brushing your teeth, make sure that you brush your teeth and your tongue. So for example, here I'm having a toothbrush. So I'm going to give example. So make sure that you brush your teeth and your tongue, and also brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. Don't just brush your teeth, for example, like this, and then after that you stop. No, make sure you brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes effectively, your teeth and your tongue. For example, let me show an example. So all this procedure should take for at least 2 minutes, and after that you can stop. You can rinse your mouth. Okay, so that is the first common reason why people get bad breath. Another reason is dry mouth. Dry mouth can be due to people not drinking a lot of water. So make sure that you drink a lot of water. But sometimes there are other reasons which can cause dry mouth. For example, smoking cigarette, drinking alcohol. So if you're drinking alcohol, make sure to stop drinking alcohol. If you're smoking, also prevent smoking, or don't drink or don't smoke, because smoke and alcoholism can cause dry mouth. Also, there are other ways of how can you get rid of bad breath. Also, you can use a mixture of hot salt water. So you rinse your mouth with hot salt water. So by rinsing your mouth with hot salt water, also help to get rid of bad breath. So when you use these ways and you see that you still have bad breath, make sure that you go to the doctor or a dentist, because there are other conditions which can cause bad breath. For example, liver diseases, intestinal infection, gastroesophageal refluxes. All these are the conditions which can cause bad breath. So make sure that you go and see a doctor, because it is good to cure the reasons for getting that condition more than just curing the condition. So maybe if you're having maybe bad breath due to esophageal reflux, make sure that you cure esophageal reflux, then the bad breath will go away. Maybe if you're having bad breath due to liver infections or liver diseases, we must cure liver diseases, then bad breath will go away. So if you do these ways and you still no improvement, make sure that you see a dentist or a doctor. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.